American Express is well known for their credit cards, but it may surprise some to discover that they also provide a checking account and a high yield savings account. When it comes to fees, there are no annual fees or monthly fees with their checking account or their savings account. There are also no overdraft fees and no minimum deposit or minimum balance required. And of course, money stored in American Express is FDIC insured up to $250,000. So your money is insured in case of a bank failure. American Express currently offers 4.3% APY on money in their high yield savings account. This is a very competitive rate and will likely be several times higher than what you will be able to find at your local bank. Interest compounds daily and is paid out monthly. It's easy to transfer money to and from savings. Users can also set up transfers on a recurring basis, which can allow them to save automatically. And users can also open more than one high-yield savings account with American Express, which allows you to separate your savings into different savings goals. For example, you could have one savings account for an emergency fund and another for saving up for a vacation. In addition to a high-yield savings account, AMEX also offers CDs, which are paying a pretty high APY right now. They also offer IRA CDs and an IRA high-yield savings account. American Express pays 1% APY on money in their checking account, which is a rare feature for checking accounts. Checking accounts usually pay a very low APY or nothing at all. 1% APY is actually higher than what most savings accounts pay at brick-and-mortar banks. 1% APY for a checking account is also higher than what you'll find at most online-only banks. Users also get access to all Point and MoneyPass ATMs, fee-free, which makes withdrawing cash convenient. AMEX banking is online only, so there are no physical locations, which makes depositing cash inconvenient. This is one of the cons of online-only bank accounts. Users who need to deposit cash often may want to bank elsewhere or keep a minimum balance at a local bank, and when they need to deposit cash, go there. You also get access to mobile check deposit. Users can also get paper checks, but they have to purchase them from a third-party vendor. AMEX gives users the option of receiving paper and electronic statements or just electronic statements, so you can save on some paper. American Express also pays 1 membership rewards point per $2 of eligible debit card purchases. 1 membership rewards point is worth around 0.6 cents to 1 cent per point. So credit cards still offer much more value for spending when it comes to points and cash back. American Express has a nice selection of credit cards. One of their most popular no annual fee cashback credit cards is the Blue Cash Everyday, which pays 1% cashback on every purchase that you make, with 3% cashback on groceries at U.S. supermarkets, U.S. online retail purchases, and 3% cashback at U.S. gas stations. And there is also a generous $200 bonus when you spend $2,000 within the first 6 months. I'll have my referral link down below. Also, before signing up, make sure you check and see if there are any cash bonuses for opening a checking account with American Express. As of making this video, it seems like there are no offers, unless if you open a business checking account. Everything can be managed inside of the AMEX app. Everything that is to be expected is there. Being able to view your transaction history, pay off your American Express credit card, and more. In addition to this, American Express also has additional offers, so users can get additional cash back or points on purchases from select merchants. And users can also view their FICO credit score for free in the app. You can also chat with customer service in the app. Customer service is available 24/7 with their bank account and credit cards. To wrap it up, American Express has an excellent bank account. This account likely pays higher interest and has less fees compared to what you will find at a traditional bank. The app is also solid, 24/7 customer support is available, which there are some cons. One would be that they don't use Plaid, so linking another bank account could be inconvenient compared to an online bank that has access to Plaid. Another potential con is that Zelle is not built in. And in order to get paper checks, you just have to order them from a third party, and depositing cash is inconvenient. Some of these are problems that you won't find at other online-only banks. And another potential con is that other online-only bank accounts actually pay a little bit more APY compared to American Express, which I personally wouldn't worry about that too much because the difference is usually negligible.